Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be going over how to draw absorption levels with Polarity or Analytica chart 3 or 4. So pretty quick video here. As you can see, we're in like market replay right now. So to draw absorption levels, how I do on NinjaTrader, my hotkey is Shift F2. Okay, and that brings up this drawing tool. Okay, you can also go to drawing tools here, and then it's this region highlight Y. And what we want to do is anywhere that has a 0 imbalance on the top of the range bar, we can kind of highlight that. And if there's point of control or high volume right underneath that, then you could also highlight that in there as well. So right here would be an absorption level from that 0 marked out from Analytica. And down here we also have absorption here, and we could also mark out this absorption. We have a 0 here, 0 here. So those are all absorption areas, as well as here, I guess, if you want to mark that out. So now if we play it forward here, you can see market opens. This doesn't really act as a great absorption here, but this one does, right? We'd be playing this in regression mode from the high entropy pre-market, and open here does chop around, continues chopping around these absorption levels, right? We kind of break through right here. We also kind of form a point of control channel a little bit, right? Then you see up here, we form absorption, which we reject at the next candle. Break through this derived zone right here. But it looks like news came out. So, but usually if, you know, quick breakthrough derived zone, you put it in trend mode. And yeah, trend would have been a good switch right here at least. Then we move back in. I mean, news is just a little crazy there. We can delete these. We'll show another few examples here. Drag along. So look at this. So this is an example. We have absorption at the top of the bar, sell imbalance here, point of control here, right? So I'd include probably all of that there. We also have absorption here. So there you go. This could be a channel forming, right? Could be. Doesn't mean it is. We break through, kind of pierce above, drop back down into this range, reject the absorption here. And you can see price and delta not really correlated at all here. So we'd probably be in regression mode, right? Then again, we kind of reject this absorption, right? Now, these aren't necessarily going to be pinpoint accurate every time, right? You can see right here, took a lot of sell imbalances here to get through this absorption and this reverse RSI. Then we form a derived zone. So it could be expecting chop in this area, right? So sort of like chopping through this derived zone. Absorption here, absorption up here, right? So it could be expecting chop. What do we see? We do see some chop until boom. We're in regression here. Switch it to trend once we see this price starting to recorrelate after maybe this derived zone. And then trending market there, trending market. Anyway, yeah, absorption is going to be these 0 levels. And yeah, sometimes they form really nice, good channels, and sometimes they're not as clean, right? Like you mark out this absorption, yeah, it rejects here a few times. Yeah, that's how you draw absorption lines. Hopefully that kind of clarifies some things for you guys. I know a lot of you have been asking, so hopefully that does clarify how to draw absorption. And if you need more info on how to use them, just go rewatch some of my other videos, or I can make a whole nother video over it.